procedure, the bottom part of the safe work method, the actual safe work practice to how to do this activity safely. So if we hit add procedure, and this program is very unique because being a program that actually builds a safe work method statement is a very unique and great selling point in our system. So setting up tables is the procedure, and we can enter a step here, and the step might be, say for an example, obtain function room setup list. No hazards there, no risk. List to be obtained from Malcolm. So you can have a review date. So you can actually use this procedure not so much as a risk by risk assessment, but as a setup, as in a procedure. This is step 1, and you can have a more detailed section here in the control measure to say, okay, that's the step, and this is how you can actually implement that step safely. We can put a review on this throughout the program. Everything has a review process, and that way brings it into continual improvement, which is a big step. So we can insert the step, and it automatically starts building the procedure underneath. Now we can add another step. So they've obtained the function room setup list. The next step might be get trolley from trolley room. The hazard might be fall from the trolley falling, or whatever it is, or something falling out of the closet. It's highly unlikely, but we'll just say it hasn't. Room to be free of loose items. And you slowly build that up. Next step is lift tables onto trolley, and the hazard is obviously manual handling, and we risked that as a 3 before. And again, the control measure is proper lifting techniques to be used, and also 2 people to lift table. So we'll insert. Now you can make that as much as long as you like that procedure. When you finish, you click finish, and automatically will actually insert it into the bottom of the form. You can go back and edit if you wish, and you can update it. So we'll just have a look at the printer friendly model again, and you'll see that it's printer friendly. It's built a nice and easy form. You can create a PDF, so they can download that safe work method onto their computer. It's not just stored in our computer. They can have all their documents that they've built on their computer as well. So, but that's in our system, automatically it stores it into the register, and that's the beauty of the program. Everything's in one space. So now their employees can come there if they're doing setting up tables, and come here, hit the details, and print out the safe work method statement and follow that safe work method statement. Or a good idea, you can actually print out the safe work method statement and have them located in the room that they're going to be doing those activities, or laminated and printed on the wall. All those different things that you can be doing, because you're going to have a review mechanism, and you can update that on a regular basis. Now, this is the major kind of part of the program where a consultant can come in and actually identify the activities, and then start building and identify the hazards relating to those activities, and start doing a risk assessment. When you're building the procedure, the best part of the building a procedure is basically, when you're building this section, you should be doing that in consultation with the person that you've sold the program to, because they're doing that procedure every day, and where they're probably doing it right and doing it correctly, it's just that they haven't got a written copy of how to do it safely. So for an example, if you sit down and say, okay, what is the first step when you guys are setting up the tables, the person might go, well, the first step is they need to make sure that they know the layout. So, okay, let's write the first step is layout. This is where you get it from as the control measure, and then you can take them right through the process, and by sitting down with them and doing that. So you might say, okay, I'm going to allocate so many hours a day to come out and see you. I want your total attention to build a procedure relating to an activity. So don't think that you hang on a sec, you're going to make up all these safe work methods on the spot and go, how do I do this? I didn't even know the procedure. So it's hard to do if you're just trying to build a safe work method statement without speaking to them. So the best way to do it is sit down and listen to them, and let them take you through it. So that's actually how you build a safe work method statement. They all sit in a register, nice and easy to use. And here you can also enter the standard relating to qualifications needed to perform that task. So you might put ISO code for the manual handling, whatever it may be. You'll have to look up those different codes and so forth, or you can source it from the head office and we'll be able to tell you different things.